What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about the strummer tool inside the piano roll. Alright, so let's get right into it. Now this is the last piano roll tool that we need to talk about. Alright, so we're going to go into the piano roll of these keys, and we're going to go to the drop down arrow, go to tools, and then you should see strum. The shortcut is Alt S. Alright, this is just going to make it sound like they're being strummed, like it was a guitar or something. Okay, so here's the chords we have right now. Alright, so to get this to strum, we're going to pull up the shortcut, the Alt S. Alright, it's going to bring up the strummizer. Now, we can mess with the time to choose how long the strums are. You can also mess with the velocity here. And now, another cool thing is, if you want it to be kind of like a guitar sounding thing, you can do alternate direction right here. And that's going to, the first strum, it'll strum up, and then it'll strum down, and then it'll strum up and strum down, and so on and so forth. You also got the tension here as well, which will mess with kind of the spacing between the notes. Same thing with the velocity. And then you have your end time right here. And that's just, this is just going to preserve the end or cut it out. See there. Now if we just have a time going like this and we do alternate direction, let's see how this sounds. When you find something that you like, you can just hit accept. You can see that it has some tail ends going over the fifth bar here. We can just kind of hold shift to left click with the slicer and chop all of those. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't be sleeping on the strummizer. It's really dope, really simple, and helps you get a lot of sauce. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.